This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by assessing the tier and choosing matching materials so your repair blends. Feel the net to determine if threads are broken or a hole has frayed edges. Once done, trim only loose threads and lay the dress flat. Make sure to stabilize the area with pins or a lightweight press cloth. Thread a fine needle with a single strand of matching thread and tie a small knot. You will use close, controlled stitches to rebuild the mesh. You now reweave the net by working from the smallest intact loops outward, using tiny ladder or whip stitches to reconnect threads so the mesh regains structure. If the hole is too large, place a matching tulle patch under the tier and baste it with long, loose stitches first. This gives support. Once anchored, shorten stitches and hide knots in the mesh. Make sure to check symmetry and tension as you go so the repaired area lays flush and moves. Finish by securing thread ends with discreet knots tucked into the mesh, and snip close. If thread is synthetic, melt tips lightly with a heated pin, careful not to touch fabric. Once stitched, press gently on low heat through a cloth to relax the net and settle stitches. Make sure to test a corner first. If puckering or distortion appears, undo the last few stitches, ease tension, and restitch with looser spacing. If the patch shows, consider adding decorative applique to hide the repair.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.